Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a little trick I've learned over the years. For those of you who have these cabinets with what I'd call the finger breaker holes in them for opening these, you reach in to get the latch right here. You see here, I found this at some point in time where these people attach the string to that to allow you to easily open that. Alright, so I'm going to take this one step farther. I've been buying a bunch of stuff from Sailrite. I found these zipper lanyards. Right? I don't know. Pretty cheap for a bag of 10 of them, under $5, whatever it was. Anyways, what I did was I took one of them with a hot knife and I cut it, cauterized the end, put a zip tie through it, and I think this is going to work really nice. Of course, these strings have been here forever. If it's not broke, why fix it? But hey, you know, I just had to try. This one off. There we go. And then tie. Of course, I can't do this with two hands. Put this down for a second. Okay. Yep, and zip tied on there just nice. Nice and nice. Cut this tail off here. Stick that through the hole. And look at that. Look how nice that is. Sweet. And I'll be doing that to the rest of them. Have there, one here, that door. Yeah, Eric's tip for the day.